This is the Iron Trader. It is Sunday night. Now the future's open here at 6 o'clock. That was probably about 15 minutes ago. So we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell, stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. Now, we had a big ass sell-off here on Friday. Look at that big red candle, okay? But what we have to look at here is there's a couple things. First of all, I'll look here. See this, how this green cross below the red? That's a sell signal, okay? The 8-day now is clearly below that 21-day. That's a sell signal. And looks like it wants to come towards that 100-day here. And then if it keeps on moving down, you will take the price right on down. Okay, so what we want to watch here on the upside is, okay, so we want to watch today's high so far is we have 79 here, 02, but really the key level here is going to be this 50 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 79.58, and then we can run all the way up here to this 100-day, which is sitting at 80.71. Those are your key levels here. Now, again, there is resistance here above. We can look at the bottom of that candle. Okay, so you're looking at 80.22. Here we have 80.45, and then we have that 80.61 here. But really that 100-day, that's going to be very key. But this 50-day is going to be very, very crucial. Now, downside here, we look like we're so far we're up just a little bit here. But what we want to watch, very, very key, is this 200 simple moving average here. Okay, so you're sitting right there at 78.85 here on this 200-day. Let me see that. Yeah, 78.85. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to look here at Friday's low. Okay, so you're looking at 78.59. That's going to be very, very key. That's what we're going to be trading in. Now, again, if that's lost here, then what it is, we just bring this price channel right across. This is the target that we're looking for. You're looking at 77.58. Then we can come over here to this bottom of this candle. You're looking at 77.22. And then we come over here to the top here. You're looking at 76.25. And then we can come right below here. Just bring this price channel across. That's going to be very, very key level. And that's going to be at 75.23. And then you can just work yourself all the way down. Your big retest all the way down here is at 72.48. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen there. There was a attack there in the I think it was Russia attacked the Houthis there, and they set a ship there on fire. So, and don't get too excited about it. Let's just see how this all shakes out. So realistically, here's what you want to trade. You want to watch Friday's low. That's at 78.59. This 200-day is key on a closing basis. And then on the upside here, this is what you want. This is the key level. It's going to be that 79.58. Very, very crucial. So now it looks like we're going to be trading like a pinball action between your 200-day and your 50 SMA. And then we can just look right to the bottom of that candle there. Okay, that 80.22, and then we have that 80.45, 80.61. But realistically, that 100-day is going to be key. I just don't like this. That's a cross over there. See, this is what happens when that 8-day crosses over. This is what you get all the way sell side. So this is not looking good. So even if this does run up here and you can get above that, as that 8-day comes on, that's going to be very, very strong resistance, just like we had here. Okay, so when we had this double top, and then we look at these candles here. Okay, so where'd you go? You ran right up into it. Okay, now you got higher, but where to close? Below it. Where to close? Where to close? Now this, we only had the one really good day, and then we have another candle here. Now we have contract roll here coming here starting off today here. So always keep that in mind. Okay, so now we look here at natural gas. Okay, so we'll take a look at that natty gas. Now you can see here we had all these sell signals. Okay, your 8-day goes below 21. That's a kiss of death here. Okay, we started off with this negative divergence. That was another, and then we had this your green goes below your red. That's a sell signal. Now we're getting right to the bottom of the situation here. Okay, so you can see here where the green is trying to curl up, but we got to see. I mean, obviously you try to curl up here, and then it came down, but then it went up a little bit here. But just be very, very careful. You're getting into oversold conditions here, so don't have no opinion on say, oh, this is going to go lower. We don't know where that's going to go. Okay, so far today right here, we have an inside day, but this is very, very key. So here's what we want. Let's just take a look at the downside first. So we want to watch here at Friday's low. Okay, that's going to be key. That's going to be that 2.05. Then we'll come over here 2.02. But this is the level that you're looking right here. This is that 2.01 level right there. See that? Okay, That's what we're looking at, that 2.01. Now, again, if this sells down, because this looks like, also, just keep in mind, this looks like a bear flag situation, okay? So just keep that very, very much in mind here. Now, if you want to know about chart patterns, or candlesticks, just go to my playlist. You have everything's all right there for you. Just click on and you can do it. I do it myself every week here just to stay fresh, okay? But right now, this could be a possible bear flag in situation. I said possible. Now, again, if you get back above this 8 SMA here, okay, or this 100-day, well, then that negates that bear flag pattern, okay? So that's what we're looking for. But right now here on the downside, again, you're looking for that 2.01. If that is lost here, then we're going to come over top of this candle. You're looking at 2 flat. We look top here. You're looking at 197. You look at the bottom there. You're looking at 195. But this is your big retest, this 190, okay? This here is your gap, and then you can come all the way down here to your 1.67, your fill. Now, I'm not saying that's going to get there, but usually these gaps and fills, they're like a magnet to a fridge, okay? Eventually, they're going to stick right to it, okay? So if this key level here is lost, and just look at that price channel at that 2.01, then realistically, that 190, that's going to be your target, okay? Now, let's take a look here at the upside. Now, you can see this 8-day now across the 21-day, the 50-day, the 200-day. Now you cross the 200, the 100 SMA here. So there's nothing left to cross, okay? So there's nothing left. Now, the contract roll here for natural gas will be out next Sunday, okay? So you got a little bit of time left on that here. So what we're looking at here on the upside, your key level is going to be right here, okay? So we're looking at here at 2.16. That's your 8 simple moving average. And then right above it here, we have this 100-day sitting at 2.19. If you can get above all that, well, you can go up here to your 2.21. That's going to be key. And then we have 2.24, a level right here. We have 2.26. And then we can just start ratcheting the candle, all the top of the candles here. But realistically, right here, 21-day, that's your target. Okay, 2.39. You get above that, we have your 200-day here at that 2.41. But just watch that 21-day, very, very crucial. But right now, I say just watch this setup here because this is a possible bear flag in play here unless you close above the 8-day and you get above this 100-day, then that'll negate that pattern. Okay, so simple thing for Monday is just watch this 8 SMA here. Okay, that's that 2.16, and then watch that 2.19, that 100-day. Downside, watch that 2.01. You lose it, you're coming down here to your 1.95. But again, you're getting into oversold conditions here. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. So again, like on crude oil, just watch this key level here. This 200-day on a closing basis and Friday's low on a closing basis. That there is that 78.59. Very, very key. Upside right there. Your 50-day, very, very crucial, 79.58. But with this rolling over like this and this series of where you had the double top and then you have these lower highs all the way down here, this is not setting up well. It's setting up just like that, okay? So we'll see what happens there Monday. Now, again, I am out of the office, but again, I eat, sleep, and breathe this shit. So you are going to get a video, okay, just like you are tonight. And I will have a video, probably just one a day. I'll do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then I'll be back fully in the office there on Thursday. Okay, that's what I got for you. Thanks for watching.